From farm fields to high-tech factories, this is the journey of sugarcane juice, where raw stalks transform.
From farm fields to high-tech factories, this is the journey of sugarcane juice, where raw stalks transform.
Secondary rinse and sanitization. Washed sugarcane passes through sanitization sprays using food-grade solutions.
The bagasse is separated here, ensuring the fibers are clean for reuse.
The clean mechanical separation system efficiently processes the dry sugarcane fiber, conveying the valuable resource for reuse.
Here we see the raw juice entering the system. The fine filtration meshes effectively remove the fibers.
Clarification tanks separate sediments from the juice.
Clarification tanks separate sediments from juice, slow swirling motion visible inside glass-lined tanks. The juice is rapidly heated using these heat control systems to ensure pasteurization, carefully monitored by the digital displays. Scene 13, temperature control treatment. The juice now passes through these heat control systems. In this temperature-controlled environment, finished juice pallets are stored amidst a constant cool mist, ensuring freshness before distribution.
This state-of-the-art facility serves as the central nervous system of our distribution network.
From this ultra-modern facility, we manage the seamless flow of goods to every corner of the country.
Check the throughput on line 3. We have a slight dip.
Rerouting the supply chain now. It should stabilize in 2 minutes.
This alert on the central screen. The pressure is fluctuating rapidly.
It's an oscillation in the hydraulic press. I've adjusted the parameters. It's normalizing now.
From raw sugarcane to bottled freshness, this is how industry transforms nature.
From raw sugarcane to bottled freshness, this is how industry transforms nature. Subscribe to explore